Gonna get married.
You don't know any other words but gonna get married.
Let's give this lovely couple a loud round of applause, please.
You look so beautiful.
Did you cry?
Yeah, a little bit.
I was supposed to be there.
I don't think it would be a normal thing if both of you weren't late. If one fox is going to be late to an event, both of them are here. They might as well both be.
Can I suggest you?
Did you see the monkey walk by you though?
I know, I was like,
so
yeah.
good. I'm like, oh, the monkey's going to be in the picture. It's amazing.
I can count on one hand how many beers I've had this week.
They got dressed up tonight? Oh my god, that's hilarious. Look at your dad. Look at your dad.
Oh my god, I love it.
That's amazing. Shout out to Dr. Barker.
Think I can wear my sunglasses?
Give me that. I've got your phone.
There you go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Give me a kiss. Mwah. I have no clue either, but follow me.
How many times did Mandy swear today?
She was.
To stay open to one another, to learn and to grow even when it's difficult to do so. At this moment, we'll be doing the presentation of the rings. Let these rings be a sign that your love has a past, a present, but most important, a future. This is where I ask you, Corey, do you take Mandy to be your wife, to respect and honor her, to love, protect, support, and be faithful to her?
I do.
Mandy, do you take Corey to be your husband, to respect and honor him, to love, protect, support, and be faithful to him?
Hell yeah.
Congratulations. Let's give this lovely couple a loud round of applause, please. And may the love that you now share continue to grow, and may the happiness that you bring to each other be a continuing part of your everyday life together. Now, I would like for everyone to please stand up, because it's a time of celebration.
And then we'll continue to partay.
Yeah.
Was it not hilarious?
All the pictures I've taken in, the waves in the background, it's amazing. Babe. Oh my god, I just saw you just walk up this. I know, but that is like fucking
is like
super
the
bright
one
neon. Alright, ceremony's over. That was great. Short, sweet, to the point. Really nice. The weather held off great. It's a beautiful sunset over on the west coast right now. We're just out on the pier. So we're finishing up the photos and time to go up to the reception. See you up there. Hi boys.
Fucking sharp. Always.
That's $24 I've ever spent. Royal rule.
to 1. Dreams. It's time for the party.
Like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget that peace. You take the west side, take on the east. I'ma put them in the cage, never let out the I hear them chatting the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear them chat with the boys, man so tough, but man's keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls gotta tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pine, if you wanna touch man, please use caution, 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 stop that. I hear him chat with the boys, man so tough but man's keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls gotta tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pine, if you wanna touch man please use caution, 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 caution.